Hi, how are you guys? And welcome back. So, today we will be talking about the nature of the market or the characteristic of the market. So, the market has two characteristics it's either impulsive or corrective. By this, what do I mean by this? Uh, Price action can either have an impulsive nature like this right here, it's impulsive or corrective nature. And we must also understand that the market has continuous cycles of impulsive, correction, impulse, correction, impulse. These continuous cycles are what create market structure. The nature of the corrective phase is a set of stagnant candlesticks moving sideways, like this one here. As you can see, these candlesticks, it's as if they are not going anywhere, they are moving sideways. And this one right here. And the nature of the impulsive phase is large momentum candlesticks, like this here. You see this from here going up, it impulsed up and then corrected. On the correction part, it has more candlesticks than on the impulsive part. This one also is an impulse. If you go back, you can see that's how the market always moves. Impulse, correction, impulse, correction, impulse, correction. And naturally, if correction took the shape of a continuation, next impulse will be with the trend. And if it took the shape of a reversal, the next impulse will be in the opposite side of the trend. In order to understand these shapes of correction and reversal, like this one, these are correction. The market impulsed and then corrected. So with that information, you can predict that the next move the market is going to take it's up with a trend. The next one, it's a correction. We can predict that the next move that the market is going to make it's up with a trend. So today we were supposed to talk about trend lines and what we use trend lines for, but I had to start with nature of the market so that we can understand. We use candlesticks and we use trend lines and ray lines to draw and identify structure, helping us to understand what is happening in the market. As you can see, all these trend lines that I've drawn, they are helping me to understand what is happening in the markets. Uh, with this class, I think we'll finish it there. On the next class, I'll be talking about patterns and structures, continuation patterns and reversal patterns in order to understand if the market will be moving against the trend or with the trend. Structures like this, patterns like this. If we saw such a pattern after an impulse, basically we were waiting for the market to continue with the trend. And in such an area, I'm looking for a good one. In an area like this, the market was going down, but if you saw such a pattern of the market was going down, you can be able to predict when the market will be going against the trend because the market was going down. You see, impulse down, corrected, impulse, and then it started reversing and it went up, impulse, impulse corrected, and then it just corrected again and started trickling up and reversed back down. So, guys, today this will be the end of our class. Tomorrow I'll be talking about patterns. If you have any questions, please ask them on the comment section. I'll be more than willing to answer your questions. Enjoy your day, night, or morning, whichever the time you're in. Thank you.